October is National Pet Wellness Month to raise awareness on how to keep your pet healthy. Right now, pet obesity rates in the United States are rising and becoming a significant health concern for our furry friends. A survey from 2022 shows 59% of dogs and 61% of cats were classified as overweight or obese. Joining me this morning to explain more, Dr. Rachael Campbell. She's a medical director at Pet Wellness Clinic, and today she's sharing how we can actually help our pets lose weight. I have a pet that likes to eat, and good to see you. First of all,
so nice to see you.
Thank you. Let's talk about some of the conditions that we have to watch out for that are signs.
So yeah, I was going to say I have a little laryngitis, so I'm the pinnacle of health to discuss the general wellness, but yeah, the signs as far as weight control with your pets. Sometimes you might notice them not moving around as much. You know, they might not be as active.
Right.
Maybe they don't go as far. Of course, depending on the breed of pet that you have, it may not be as obvious that they're gaining weight. Maybe they have a lot of hair or a very fluffy coat, and so there can be, you may not notice it until you potentially bring them in for their wellness visit or for some visit to the vet. They get weighed, and then maybe there's a discussion about those numbers rising, just like us when we go to the doctor.
Yeah, it's those pets that have a lot of hair, and then when they go for that shave and haircut, you notice, oh, you're bigger than I thought you were. What can obesity in our pets actually be concerned? Why is that? So
again, it does depend on actually the breed of pet that you have specifically, of course, but there are certain breeds that, you know, dachshunds you think about a lot, older pets that are getting arthritis. There are major conditions that can affect their quality of life if they were to gain weight. Dachshunds can run into back issues, causing causing them to become paralyzed. Older pets can get to a point that their mobility is so bad, and we think that, you know, we're loving them and giving them food and making them happy, but sometimes if it's actually something that's contributing to a mobility issue further, heart disease, just like with people, of course, blood pressure, all those things, of course, can affect them as well in a really negative way.
And the treats that you continue to give adds up to those pounds.
Yeah, so I actually had a little chihuahua. It was like a 5-pound chihuahua came in. The owner gave it an entire hot dog.
Oh.
So it's like you eating an entire hot dog. So you have to consider the size of your pet, you know, and so that pet was sick. She got pancreatitis for a couple days, but she's fine. But you have to really consider that these little tiny treats seem very small to us, and even in a big dog, they can actually really add up when it comes to the actual size of the pet and the amount of calories they would actually need on a daily amount.
Let's talk about how we can help, ways we can help our pets lose weight.
So one of the biggest, most simple things that we actually do come across is measuring how much food that your pet actually gets. So
portion control.
Portion control. It's crazy. Diet and exercise, easier said than done, I understand, even for our pets. But you may look at the bag of dog food. It may recommend 2 cups a day. That's not 2 solo cups, right? That's 2 8-ounce cups. And that's a leveled off 8-ounce cup. That's not a heaping 8-ounce cup. So there's things like that, the basics of kind of measurement of your dog food or cat food that you're feeding that can really contribute. Of course, exercise and activity, which can be difficult depending on if it's a cat or dog, and then again, if your pet has any other underlying health issues, of course, speak with your vet. But diet and exercise, of course, are the basics, just like it comes with humans as well. And
really quickly, for cats and dogs, exercise regimens, what should we do?
So again, speak with your vet. It does depend on any type of underlying condition, but just like with people, 20-30 minutes a day. Of course, if you can have some type of activity with them, of course, be careful in extreme temperatures if you're going outside. It can be difficult with cats to keep them active.
Is it okay to put a cat on a leash and take them for a walk?
So make sure that they are protected, of course, with their flea, heartworm, tick preventatives and certain vaccines. Again, talk to your vet about that. And it may not be as exciting for them as it seems like it's going to be. It's very cute as a picture. Realistically, I don't see it happen very often, but yeah, depends on your pet.
Rachael Campbell with Pet Wellness, thank you so much for coming on.
Of course.
You did well.
Thank you.
You did well. No
Thank
problem.
You.
For more information and find all these topics discussed this morning, as well as information about keeping your pets healthy, just go to our website, fox59.com/links. 9:45 right now.